Hi and hello, welcome to Drama 4. This is Albert Pinto with you, and you are watching my channel, that is Albert Pinto's multi channel. Once again, welcome. This is the view that you can see from outside, but it's a huge area inside. This is the largest fort in Goa. The Portuguese claimed the fort Cabdarama after defeating the Raja, king of Sunda, and subsequently renovated it. Inside the Cabo de Rama fort, there is the church of Santo Antonio, which is in excellent condition and still used by devotees. I suppose this is a peephole. We could see some monkeys on the trees jumping. That was a pleasant view. The present rickety structure with turrets and rustic cannons is all that is left over by the Portuguese. In fact, the year of manufacture is also engraved on these cannons. You will see a watchtowers toward the right, which acted as a guard for the coastline back then. You will also find two ponds within the fort, one of which contains warm water and the other cold water. Later, this fort housed a government prison till 1955 and was abandoned again. Today, this fort is in ruins but is a very popular tourist attraction of Goa. The fort provides majestic views of the entire length of Kolwa Beach and the Kanakona stretch. The fort spreads across 180,000 square meters and is constructed with laterite rocks. The fort was captured by the Portuguese in 1763. They conquered it by winning over the local kings. The marvelous ancient ponds here are a representation of a Hindu architecture of the Sunda kings. The Sunda rulers probably used it for bathing and special ceremonies. Further, you get to see the ruins of some buildings that are considered to be army quarters. They further used it as a military base and a prison after a while. The Portuguese also built command posts, military barracks, 21 cannons, and quarters for office purpose. I took about 3 hours to see the entire Cabdarama fort. I must say that every tourist should visit Cabdarama Fort if they are in Goa and enjoy the mesmerizing view. The view from the top is really superb. Yeah, that's an eagle. The construction of the walls are so strong, I think it can live forever. The sunset from the top of the fortress, you can see the mesmerizing views of the splendid sunset shining upon Goa. This scene from the fort leaves many tourists speechless. Well, I have a blog called Goa My Goa, travel-goa.in. I am always busy making variety of videos. I try to cover all the famous tourist spots in Goa. And first of all, I release a video as soon as I visit every location in Goa. So you can subscribe to my channel so that instantly you get a notification whenever I upload a new video. Well, I think this is the quarter or the office that I was talking about. Well, I went inside and I could see some small rooms. Looked frightening though. Well, look at the rooms. This is the entrance. Small rooms. But the construction work is still very strong. This is the super view from the top. It's beautiful, lovely. You can see the entire sea. You can also drive through National Highway 66 to get to Cabdarama Fort by taxi or by rented cab. It will take about 1 hour to reach the destination from Margao. It is about 35 kilometers of Margao. From the top you can have a look at the view. Beautiful. Well, another set of monkeys always around. They look friendly, busy eating something. She got scared because I was approaching. This fort is full of rocks, surrounded by coconut trees and different types of trees. Well, a good location for another James Bond movie. I was really mesmerized by the view that I got from the top. Well, this is the prison house that I was talking about. The Portuguese used it until 1955 and was abandoned later. Well, I did not go inside. I went very close though, because I was told of some haunted stories, so I avoided to get in there. There you are. I have completed the entire fort. I am nearly coming to an end of this beautiful video, a historic one. And just have a look at the amount of tourists visiting this fort. Well, this is not a peak season, but still there are a lot of tourists coming to visit Cabdarama Fort. Well, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel, because I come out with a lot of variety of videos and I'm sure you like them. Thank you for watching. Take care and bye bye.